Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the new Trtl Packing Pods from the same company that brought us the Trtl Travel Pillow. They come in packs of 3 sizes for a price of 119 Australian dollars or 80 US dollars. This also includes a carry strap so that you can use them as a sling bag. Currently they only come in a nice grey and black colour with a green inner lining. What makes these packing pods special over something like a regular set of packing cubes is the fact that they have buckles built in, and they are also an unusual but very useful teardrop shape. At the top of each packing pod is a loop and a metal buckle which Trtl calls the G-hook. This allows the pods to be quickly hung on almost any bar, railing, or hook that you might have around your hotel room or guest room. At the bottom of the bag there is also a set of daisy chain webbing which you can use to thread in the carry strap. The carry strap also has a G-hook built in that allows quick and convenient conversion of the pods. So essentially these packing pods are packing cubes that can also be used as a crossbody bag when you're not using them to store your clothes or other items. I love multi-purpose gear, so these are a really great idea in my opinion. Although they're not super lightweight, the small pod weighs roughly 85 grams or 2.9 ounces, and that's about 160 grams or 5.6 ounces with the strap attached. The strap itself weighs 70 grams or 2.4 ounces. The medium pod on its own weighs 90 grams or 3 ounces, and the large pod on its own weighs about 160 grams or 5.6 ounces. So not extremely heavyweight, but compared to other packing cubes they are slightly heavier. But if you're not going to be carrying a separate day bag and using these as your day bag, then the weight sort of balances out. As a packing pod they work quite well, and you can use the G-hook on the top to hook onto the daisy chain webbing on the back of the pod to make them more compact. There are 3 lines of daisy chain webbing on the back of each pod, and these can be used to hang the pods off of each other, as well as a location to hang the strap. Due to the rounded teardrop design of these pods, they're best for packing clothes rolled in a standing upright position. This actually makes accessing the clothing quicker and easier than the traditional packing cubes where you'd need to fish through it. Whereas with this method, this clothes standing upright, you can quickly spot which piece of gear that you want to grab out quickly. As a crossbody bag, I found it quite adequate, but a little bit awkward to balance. The zipper can face downwards or upwards depending on where you thread the strap onto the bag. I found that threading in a way that left the zipper facing upwards was most comfortable for me. The strap does feel quite secure, but the G-hook doesn't have a clip to sort of lock it in place, meaning that it's possible for it to slide out while using it. Although it does have a hook on the end, so the chances of that happening are slim to nil. G-hook itself is also the heaviest part of the packing pod, and I can't help but feel like a plastic hook with a security clip on the side might have been a better lighter weight solution. But overall the metal G-hook is very sturdy and feels very well built. Overall though, I like the design of these bags and the build quality is absolutely top notch. They feel very well made and durable, and the G-hooks are very tough and strong. I like the size options too, although personally I found myself using the small or the medium sizes more often than the large size. I would highly recommend checking these out, especially if you're in the market for some new packing cubes or even a multifunctional day bag. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you think about these or if you have used a similar product, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.